Hey everybody, welcome to the TT Buzzard channel. Welcome back if you've seen some of the videos from before. Welcome aboard if you haven't. Today's video is made possible from a previous video. That video is called Flower Planter Fun to Absolutely Frustrating. Now, that video was made possible from my neighbor uphill. They had some leak. I don't know what it was. They said it's the water softener or whatever. It wasn't a problem before. It created an absolute ice jam here last winter. It's carved out a ditch. It's caused erosion, creating massive problems. You know, I did all the proper stuff as far as going through proper channels. You know, no one did anything about it. I kind of figured that's what would happen. So I took matters into my own hands. Anyways, I came up with this cool decorative stone blend. I filled in that ditch area with it. It's worked. I don't have the ice jam. It's really distracted the flow of water. And I got a nice new little look here on the property. It really freshened it up. And so it looks really cool out there. When I ordered way too much stone, so that's when I get into having some serious fun. So I have a little visitor here, Cupcake. But anyways, we're gonna get out there, play in the yard, and have a little fun with that stone. I swear this is the buzzard capital of the world. You have TT Buzzard, and you have this every morning, every evening. Just hundreds of them around here, it seems like. So I'm gonna cut a little path into here up to the sidewalk. Now if we have the car parked up there or two or whatever, it's easier for people parked back here to come walk up through here. So I have a bunch of stone left over from the ditch work, and yeah, I'm gonna put it all up in here, and I'm gonna get the crust out and kind of just beat these weeds down, kind of prep it a little bit. That should deter any new growth of grass or weeds. Yeah, it's be a nice little detour to get to the house. So I got a ton of this blend left, so we'll just start chiseling away at it. I just love playing with this stone. It is very soothing. The sounds of working with this stone are so soothing to me. Looks like a little fairy tale trail. Let's keep walking on it, pack this stone down. We had a good amount of rain yesterday. I'll do something cool right in there with that mound of leftover fill. And we'll put something, maybe an evergreen in there. That'll be easy soil to work with. So yeah, I still have a little bit of stone left after this, but that's okay. This kind of did the job, and it's just going to make things a little easier right in here. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you on the next video.